Hi guys, I'm Rita. In this episode I will show you how you can issue credit note on your Crunch account. On sidebar on left hand side there is section called sales, and to issue an invoice you need to click on particular invoice which you want to credit. For example, I want to credit invoice to issue credit note to invoice 0008. To issue credit note you need to click on options, and there is two options how we can issue credit note. Either we can raise a credit note or raise a full credit note. So raise a credit note, it can be a partial, whereas a full credit note, this will automatically give a credit note for whole amount. So let's raise a full credit note. Okay, and credit note being issued automatically. So when I click on this invoice and I click on drop down box below, it shows that credit note being issued. So options for this credit note: I can download this PDF or I can email. So if I download this PDF, this is how the credit note will look like when it's issued for full invoice. So it's quick and simple way to issue in full. But if you need to issue credit note for partial amount, for example for £35 there, then click on raise credit note and select an amount on below section where is credit note details. Select set my sell date, so date of credit note, let's say it's today. Or we can select also same as invoice, so system will take an information from your account when you issued this invoice. So date will be taken when invoice been issued, 2nd of May. And then you can add an amount which need to be included on credit note. So that amount what is a credit note for, not what should stay outstanding. So once you are happy with these details, click raise credit note. So now when I go to that invoice, click on drop down box, can see credit note is in draft status, click on options and click on issue. So now credit note being issued, and we can issue credit note an email directly to our customer, or we can just issue credit note. Now invoice from £135 have been dropped to 100, reduced. So credit note of £35 being applied. Likewise, when you click on options, we can download this PDF or email to our client. So this is a way how we can issue credit notes on Crunch accounting software. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared a link in description section below to my complete Crunch tutorial.